Asking for over-the-counter medicine. Hi, I have a headache. Hi, I have a headache.
You can take this painkiller. It's over the counter. You can take this painkiller. It's over the counter.
What does over-the-counter mean? What does over-the-counter mean?
It means you don't need a prescription. It means you don't need a prescription.
Great. Is it strong? Great. Is it strong?
Yes, but safe if you follow the instructions. Yes, but safe if you follow the instructions.
Can I drive after taking it? Can I drive after taking it?
Yes, but avoid alcohol. Yes, but avoid alcohol.
Okay, I'll take one pack, please. Okay, I'll take one pack, please.
Sure, that will be €5. Sure, that will be €5.
Understanding dosage instructions. How do I take this medicine? How do I take this medicine?
Take one pill every 8 hours. Take one pill every 8 hours.
With food or on an empty stomach? With food or on an empty stomach?
With food is better. With food is better.
Can I take it at night? Can I take it at night?
Yes, but try not to skip any doses. Yes, but try not to skip any doses.
What if I forget a dose? What if I forget a dose?
Take it as soon as you remember, unless it's close to the next dose. Take it as soon as you remember, unless it's close to the next dose.
Thank you, that's clear. Thank you, that's clear.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Asking about side effects. Does this medicine have side effects? Does this medicine have side effects?
Some people feel sleepy or dizzy. Some people feel sleepy or dizzy.
Should I stop if I feel that? Should I stop if I feel that?
Stop and call a doctor if it's strong. Stop and call a doctor if it's strong.
Can I take it with other medicine? Can I take it with other medicine?
It depends. Ask your doctor if you take other pills. It depends. Ask your doctor if you take other pills.
Okay, I'll be careful. Okay, I'll be careful.
That's good. Let me know if you need anything else. That's good. Let me know if you need anything else.
Describing symptoms. Hello, I don't feel well. Hello, I don't feel well.
What symptoms do you have? What symptoms do you have?
I have a headache and a sore throat. I have a headache and a sore throat.
Do you have a fever? Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little. I also feel very tired. Yes, a little. I also feel very tired.
Okay, I'll give you something to help. Okay, I'll give you something to help.
I'm also sneezing a lot. I'm also sneezing a lot.
Then you might have a cold. Drink lots of water and rest. Then you might have a cold. Drink lots of water and rest.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Take care of yourself. You're welcome. Take care of yourself.
Which sentence is a correct question form? A, you have a prescription. B, do you have a prescription? C, have you a prescription? D, you do have a prescription. Choose the sentence that uses can correctly. A, can I to take this medicine? B, can I taking this medicine? C, can I take this medicine? D, I can to take this medicine. What is the correct way to ask about frequency? A. How often I take it? B. How I often take it? C. How often should I take it? D. How should often I take it? Which sentence uses the verb feel correctly? A. I feeling tired. B. I feel very tired. C. I am feel tired. D. I feels tired.